Hi guys, welcome to HTML course. Today we will learn how to code in HTML. So let's start. As you can see, I have opened the Visual Studio Code on the left side and browser on the other side. If you are new here and want to understand what's going on, then please watch first two videos. By the way, subscribe to this channel will be amazing. I have written basic code of HTML. In HTML, we use these tags to give a command with an opening and closing tag like these. Let's start from the first line, DOCTYPE Declaration. All HTML documents must start with a doctype declaration because it is an information to the browser about what document type to expect. Like in our case, document type is HTML. Now let's move on to second line. So as I told you that we use this opening and closing tags in HTML, and also we inform the browser that our document type is HTML. So now it's time to use HTML tags. When we hover over the HTML, it shows that it represents the roots of an HTML document. Means whatever we write inside will be included as HTML code. Now inside HTML, you will see two tags, head tag and body tag. Let's start with the head. It basically contains metadata for the document. In simple word, it contains those things which can't be displayed, like references to the author of the document, like references to the files like CSS and JavaScript, like policies and etc. Except title, like as you can see, it is shown on the tab of the browser. Let me change this and see how it works. Let's say we change it to title and press Ctrl S, and here we will refresh the page. And as you can see, the title has been changed to title. By this way, you can give any title you want. So this is the only part that you can display on your browser. Except these, in head you will see only references. Now let's talk about body tag. It contains all the contents of HTML document like paragraph, headings, images, table and links and more and more. You can use body tag only once. Now as you can see, the P tag inside the body tag, it is simply reference to paragraph. How simple is that? Like H for heading, IMG for images and go on. So by this way we can use paragraphs and same way headings, images and a lot more. Now for additional information like changing color of text, text size, font family changing alignments of the text, we use attributes inside the opening tag of any element. Let's say if you want to change the color of paragraph text, we use style attribute. So let's say write style and choose color, and in color you can give any color you want. Let's choose blue, and when we save it and refresh the browser, you will see the changes. And by this way we will be using attributes in element, and this is the basic that I have explained in this video. So take care of yourself and see you in the next video.